New year, new plans. But English words? Don't worry. Today we'll help you plan your new year in simple, confident English.
Exactly. If you're a beginner and you want to speak English naturally, this lesson is for you. By the end, you'll talk about your New Year plans without fear.
Welcome back to English Dominator, the place where you don't just learn English, you use it.
Today's topic is very practical. Easy English conversation. How to plan your New Year. Perfect for beginners, plus speaking practice.
Grab a pen, repeat with us, and let's dominate English together. First, let's start very simple. When someone asks you, "What are your New Year plans?" you can say, "I want to learn English. I want to get healthier. I want to study more."
Super easy. Remember this structure. I want to plus verb. Examples. I want to travel. I want to get a new job. I want to improve my English.
Beginners, repeat after me. I want to improve my English. Check mark.
Now let's sound a little more natural, like real conversation. Instead of only, I want to, try, I'm planning to. I hope to. Examples. I'm planning to learn English this year. I hope to speak English confidently.
These sentences are simple but powerful. Native speakers love them. Let's practice a real-life conversation. Arav, what are your New Year plans?
I'm planning to improve my English and wake up early.
Nice. Why?
Because I want to feel more confident at work.
See? Easy. No big grammar, just clear English.
Now, very important. Common mistakes beginners make. I am planned to learn English. I am planning to learn English. I want learning English. I want to learn English.
Small mistakes, but fixing them makes you sound confident, not nervous. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and say this aloud. This year, I'm planning to.
Don't be shy. Speak alone. Speak loud. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
Remember, your New Year plan doesn't need to be perfect.
Even one sentence in English every day is progress.
If English is your goal this year, you're already in the right place.
If this lesson helped you, hit like.
Subscribe to English Dominator for easy conversations, real examples, and confidence-building English.
Comment below. My New Year plan is, we'll read and reply.
Speak confidently. Dominate English.